vlogger, I'm sure
Yeah.
you're well versed with all the beauty slangs and beauty terms. What do you think these beauty slangs mean?
Yeah.
Let's see you describe these terms.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
we can try.
The first term is non-touring.
What?
Non-touring.
Whatever is the opposite of contouring.
It has to have something like a device that you use to contour. That is, no.
I honestly don't know.
So what does tan-touring mean?
Having contour by tan?
Making people look tanned, maybe giving them abs and stuff. No.
Maybe it's the opposite of getting tanned.
Like a tanning lotion or something to contour, like that really deep contour.
Perfect. Multi-masking.
I know multi-masking. So basically you adjust like different areas of your skin and mask accordingly, yeah.
Like layering on, slapping on masks and sheet masks. Yeah, okay.
Using different masks for different skin problems.
A lot of us have combination skin tone, so it's really cool. You can apply like a mud mask on your T-zone, moisturizing mask on your cheeks. So yeah, that's using multi-mask.
What do you mean by serving face?
No idea.
Is it like a resting bitch face?
Serving face.
It's a fierce face. Do you think that's the one? Yeah,
So
when
give
you
us
have
a
like
serving face.
yeah.
Nice. What does for the gods mean?
For the gods is a makeup slang.
Something related to oh my god, like it's like an exclamation thing.
Is that just looking like beautiful or
A
heavenly?
term you use for somebody who's looking absolutely perfect, or like she's a goddess, or
Got it. You got it.
for the gods.
What does edgy stand for?
H and G? What's the full form?
That's what I want to know.
Holy Grail.
Sorry.
Holy Grail.
I really have no
Holy
idea.
Grail.
Holy grail!
What does no poo mean?
No, that means when your products don't have a lot of chemicals in it.
No what? No poo.
No poo facial. No poo.
No poo. The term is no poo.
These are getting tougher with every question. So I have no clue.
Microblading.
Microblading is actually something that I'm looking into right now. It looks scary, but when they create a lot of holes in your skin, in order for it to, it's like re-puncture and like create a new barrier on your skin tone.
Microblading is related to brows.
Oh yeah, oh my god, yeah.
It's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
skin.
I have no clue.
When you give your eyebrows that permanent look.
Basically to fill in your eyebrows and get it really, like get that perfect arch and get that perfect shape.
Thank you so much.
You're done.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
I'm so sorry.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.